After 4 years, I came back. Here, Dennis the Italian, and yes, after I made the 4 chords 50 songs video.
Hello guys, my name is Dennis and today we are going to play...
I made like 50,000 views and a lot of you asked me come back to play guitar. And today I want to play for you my 3 songs that for me reminds me, I don't know why, to America. Okay, from an Italian guy who lives in Italy. These 3 songs, I don't know why, like reminds me, for me are the American songs. Of course, are famous songs and I will put the chords here so you can learn and play these songs with me. If you like my return, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe, of course, this channel, this YouTube channel, and give me a like. I don't know how to say in English. Let's start with the American song that for me is like wonderful, okay? Bellissima, okay? Yeah, almost heavy, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, shining on the river. Life is older than the trees, younger than mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to that place all below, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. This is so American for me. Then we go to a classic, okay? Let's do it. So you think you can tell? Whoa, this chord. Heaven from hell, blue sky from pain. And can you tell a green field from Chords to rail? As my I'm from there. And do you think you can tell? Pazzesca, ragazzi, pazzesca. So for the last song, a song very funny. So for the last song, I like it very much. One of my favorite artists. We are talking about Ed Sheeran. Okay, I love this song because are only 4 chords. Okay, I will do in this tonality tune. Sorry, the ritz is not easy, but in another video I will teach you. Don't worry. The club isn't in best space to find a love. I see the bar, is it where I go? Me and my friends at the table do a short string of fast and we talk slow. Come over and stop a conversation with just me and trust me to give it a chance. Now it's in my hand. Stop with them men on the jukebox. Down when it started dance. No, I sing it like knowing you, no one knows your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming up on my lead, I made me crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist, that put that body on me. Coming up on my lead, coming up on my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We're pushing pure in my head. I thought my heart was falling too. I'm in love with your body. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm in love with your body. These are 3 of my favorite American songs, more or less. But the important thing is that you are learning guitar in an easy way and in a funny way, okay? For sure, one of the next videos will be another 3 or 4 chords, a lot of songs, okay? So make sure you subscribe because this channel is going to be a nice channel. See you soon in the next video. Ciao!